So done fixing that part over here. So now it's time to fix the top part. Let's click on that, then control click on that. Get that, then click on that with control. There we go. Just gonna push them a bit up, right there. Then GUI and push them inside. There we go. Let's create. Okay, just with RZ. Yeah. Let's not rotate it. GC a little bit more. Now we just manually push them inside. Let's get that and push it inside, just like that. Same over there. Yeah, nice. Let's get these. Seems alright for now. So now last things last. Let's fix this place. Let's see with the GX push it inside just a bit.